Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now I will show you how to send a GIF to WhatsApp. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, watch the video till the end. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to WhatsApp on our device. It can be either iPhone or Android. And then we're going to select Chats, and then select Conversation, and then click on Send Message. And here we can choose Voice Message, take a photo, and then we can click here. Click on GIF. And now we have here the most trending, most popular GIFs. We can send them. Let's say like this and click Send. And we can also choose in the search box any letter. Let's say with some letter, for example G. Here we will find something, we can take it, and send it like this. As you can see, it's all sent. And here we have the GIFs. If you liked this video, you can give us a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching this video to the end. Goodbye.